Hey guys, this is David Sanchez. We're here at the Petersen Automotive Museum, Fort Level Park, and today we're gonna get this car cruising and ready for our British car show coming up soon. So we'll be showing you tips and tricks on how to detail this car. So follow us and let's get started. So after reviewing the car, we've noticed that we have some heavy grime, some burp droppings. So we'll be doing a touchless wash. Dirt, sand, and road grime are basically tiny pieces of sandpaper. If you touch the paint right away with a mitt or a towel, you're dragging that grit across the surface, and that's how you create swirl marks and scratches. A touchless wash uses pre-soaked chemicals and high pressure water to break down and remove as much contamination as possible before you ever touch the paint. This step safely knocks off the heavy dirt, mud, and debris. So when you move on to a contact wash, you're working on a much cleaner surface. So now we did the first step, which was a touchless rinse. And one of the benefits is, obviously, like I said earlier, was to eliminate the marring and scratching. Quick detailing tip, never let soap dry on your paint, especially in the sun. When soap dries, it leaves minerals and chemicals behind that can etch into your clear coat. Instead of a clean finish, you're creating water spots and streaks that are a pain to remove. Work in the shade, rinse often, and keep the surface wet. So we got the first step in. Now we'll go ahead and give it the second round of foaming, and then I will come in and scrub those areas and try to remove some of the grime. So now it's the fun part where we get to scrub the car. So obviously we have our bucket here with some water, clean water. And the best thing to do is always work from the inside out. So this is where we actually start the scrubbing process and removing anything that the first step didn't remove. So one of the important things in this process is to ensure that after cleaning every panel, you come and you soak your microfiber sponge on the water, clean it off, try to remove as much dirt or grime that was embedded in here, and then go ahead and start another panel. So as Paul's rinsing the car, I'm going to be applying some wheel cleaner to this wheel and getting some of the grime. And you might think, well, why he didn't do this when the car was being foamed or while he was rinsing it? It's a pretty hot day right now. I really didn't want the soap to stick, so that's why we're doing the wheels and the paint at the same time. When it comes to wheels, just use your best judgment. There's wheels that have matte finish, that are chrome polished. So try to use tools that are not gonna scratch or mar the wheels. All right guys, so the next step is obviously drying the car. You wanna use towels that are specifically for that job and just basically let the towel do its work. Like in this case, as you can see, I'm sliding the towel right over the panel and it's bringing all the water with it. And this step would also help reducing the micro marring and scratching of the vehicle. So what Paul's doing here, he's actually blowing the crevices, the areas where the towel couldn't reach, like the mirrors, the fender gaps and whatnot. It's always a good idea to use a blower if possible, if you have one. The less you can put your hand on the vehicle, the less likely of you scratching and marring it. So air is actually a good option as well if you have it. If you don't have it, just use your towel, but using air is good for the vehicle as well. When it comes to different styles of wheels or spokes, the towel doesn't work for all of them. Sometimes you do have to use a brush, you have to use more chemical, give it more time with the pressure washer. But for this particular wheel, this works well. I mean, I'm able to get to where I need to get to with the towel. So it just comes down to basically what type of wheel you have. So just make sure you have a set of brushes so you can get into the smaller crevices. So what Paul's doing is he's adding shine to the tire. So we're using tire dressing. So just keep in mind when applying tire dressing, you want to have a nice applicator, but also don't overdo it. You don't want, your car that you just washed to be slinging that tire shine all over the place. So just make sure you add, not a lot, just enough to where you can give it that shine that you're looking for. All right guys, so our final step here would be to detail and protect the car at the same time. So now there's a lot of products out there that give you 2-in-1. So my suggestion is try to get a product that gives you both in one shot. So there's a detailer ceramic. Ideally, I like to spray the towel and start always from the middle, working yourself out. So you don't need to put much pressure on the panel. Remember, we're trying to avoid scratching or marring. Always make sure you don't mix your towels. You want to use a towel that's specifically for glass. You don't want to mix your panel towels and your glass towels, because remember, if you're adding a wax to the panel, you're getting that wax into the towel. Now you're transferring it to the windshield, which is going to make your job much harder. All right, guys, so we're done with the car. We washed it, we cleaned it, we did everything that we can to ensure that it looks great for our cruising. So now we're ready to go. Let's do this. Hey guys, so finally the day is here. The British car cruising, and the car's looking amazing after all the work we did. You know, we have some great cars out here, and this came out amazing. So a lot of people are coming over asking us what we did. As you can see, it's nice, shiny. You know, the wash that we did, the stuff that we did to the car made it look great. So we're just happy with the results. And thanks Aston Martin for being a great sponsor of this event. So I'm here with Seek. Seek, please tell me, what do you think of the car?
It's pretty clean. I mean, I don't notice any spots or anything. Headlights look spotless. Hood, I mean, not even like a finger was laid on it. I mean, it's awesome. Great.
Hey, how you doing, bud? I'm seeing that you were looking at the car. Can I please get your reaction? What do you think of the car?
I think it looks great. I heard that when it came in here, it didn't look so good, and now it's stunning. It's clean, shiny, no swirl marks. I'm loving it.
Awesome, thank you. I appreciate your feedback.
You're welcome.
Hey guys, so we have a young enthusiast here. Hey buddy, what do you think of the car? What do you think of the car? Speechless, huh? Thank you. Guys, so I'm here with Ted Seven, and he's gonna give us his honest opinion on how the car came out. So tell me, what you think, Ted?
I think that it looks absolutely beautiful. I mean, look at the sun. You don't even see a scratch or anything. Beautiful. Good job.
Awesome, thank you, appreciate it. Hey guys, I have two Petersen staff members, and we're gonna ask them what they think about the car. Honest opinion, what do you guys think?
It looks good. It's very clean.
Yes, oh my gosh. Look at all of that. It's very clean.
Awesome. Are you just saying that because you guys know me, or because really the car's sparkling and it looks great?
It looks great. It's beautiful. And the sunlight's hitting it so nice too.
Yeah, this is amazing.
Well done.
Awesome, thank you.
Yeah,
appreciate it.
Look at your work.
Thank you. Well guys, thanks for watching this video. We hope that you learned something, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Special thanks once again to Aston Martin for supporting our British cruising, and see you guys in the next video.